You're funny. You're freaking hilarious.
I saw a bright light in here. I was like, what is that? You have to dig in. He has a big butt.
Sierra told me I had a big butt at lunch. She yelled it really loud. She said, Summer, you have a big butt. And I was just like, oh. No. We're watching Step Brothers. He is touching his drumstick. I don't think they should have heard that part. It just got really quiet.
Yeah.
Why so sweaty? Who's watching cops? Not supposed to have your feet on the couch.
How do I stop the video?